Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to improve your personal finance, investing, and business. In this video, we're going to discuss freelancing as a method to earn money online and unlock your earning potential. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, this method can help you achieve your financial goal. Freelancing is a popular option for individuals who have a particular skill set and want to monetize their expertise. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there is a demand for your services online. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a marketplace where clients can connect with freelancers and hire them for specific projects. Check out the link in the description box to start with Fiverr. One of the benefits of freelancing is that you have the flexibility to work on projects that interest you and fit into your schedule. You can also set your own rates and choose the projects you want to work on. However, it's important to keep in mind that freelancing can be competitive, and you need to establish yourself as a reliable and high-quality service provider to attract clients and build a successful freelancing career. To be successful in freelancing, you need to have strong communication and negotiation skills. You also need to be able to manage your time effectively, meet deadlines, and provide high-quality work consistently. Building a strong portfolio and positive reviews from clients can help you stand out from other freelancers and attract more clients. In summary, freelancing can be a great way to earn money online and build a successful career. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can provide value to clients and create a sustainable income stream. If you are interested in freelancing, start by researching the different platforms and services in demand and developing your skills and portfolio. With persistence and hard work, you can achieve success as a freelancer. Thank you for watching this video about how to make money online with freelancing. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you want to see more content like this. Which method to make money online should we cover in the next video? Let us know in the comments.